In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and effectively resolve issues when uploading files to Google Drive. We've all been there. You're trying to upload an important document or presentation, and for some reason, things just don't go as planned. But don't worry, we're going to walk through these steps together to get you back on track in no time. First things first, let's go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the site drive.google.com. This is your go-to portal for all things Google Drive. Once you're there, it's a good idea to refresh the page. You can quickly do this by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or simply hit the F5 key. Refreshing helps ensure that the page is fully loaded and might resolve minor issues right off the bat. Next, let's take a moment to check your internet connection. If you notice that your connection is slow, consider reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or perhaps switching to a different network if you have that option. A stable internet connection is crucial for successful uploads, especially if you're dealing with larger files. Moving on, if the upload is still acting up, clearing your browser cache might just do the trick. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all at the same time while in your browser. When the dialog box appears, clear the cached images and files. This process helps remove temporary data that might be interfering with your uploads. Once you've cleared your cache, go ahead and try uploading your file again. If you're encountering persistent issues, consider renaming the file. Sometimes a long file name or special characters can cause upload errors, so simplifying the name could solve the problem. For those who are still running into obstacles, using your browser's incognito mode is another useful step. If you're on Chrome, you can open this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. Incognito mode can prevent certain extensions or stored cookies from interfering with the upload process. Also, verify that you have sufficient storage available on Google Drive. On the left side of your drive, click on Storage to see your usage details. If you're running low, you might need to delete some unnecessary files. This can help free up space and ensure your new uploads have enough room. Another potential culprit could be browser extensions, particularly ad blockers, which can occasionally block uploads. Try disabling your extensions temporarily and see if that resolves the issue. Finally, if you're still stuck despite all these steps, one last tip is to zip your file. Right-click on your file, navigate to Send To, and select Compressed Zip folder. Once you have your zipped file, try uploading it again to see if that bypasses the roadblock. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you should be able to troubleshoot most common uploading issues with Google Drive. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.